Hello, friends, and welcome back to Hidden Past. Today we are going to uncover the fascinating history and mystery of the Pyramids of Egypt, some of the most iconic structures in the entire world. The pyramids, especially the Great Pyramids of Giza, were built more than 4,500 years ago during the time of the pharaohs. These massive stone structures were created as royal tombs, designed to honor and protect the bodies of the Egyptian kings in the afterlife. The ancient Egyptians believed strongly in life after death, and the pyramids were meant to serve as eternal homes for their rulers. What makes the pyramids truly extraordinary is their construction. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, the largest of them all, was originally about 146 meters tall and built with more than 2 million limestone blocks. Each block weighed several tons, yet they were placed with such precision that even today we struggle to understand how ancient builders achieved this without modern machines. Some stones were transported from quarries that were miles away, raising the question, how did they move such heavy blocks across the desert? Historians and archaeologists suggest that ramps, sledges, and thousands of skilled workers were used, but the exact methods are still debated. This mystery continues to spark theories, ranging from lost ancient technologies to even alien involvement. The pyramids were more than just tombs. They were carefully aligned with the stars, especially the constellation Orion, which was sacred to the Egyptians. This shows that the builders had advanced knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. The design also reflected their religious beliefs, connecting the pharaoh's soul with the gods. Inside the pyramids, narrow passages and hidden chambers were created to protect the king's treasures and body. Unfortunately, most pyramids were robbed in ancient times, but even what remains tells us about the wealth, art, and power of Egypt's greatest rulers. After thousands of years, the pyramids still stand, surviving storms, earthquakes, and the passage of time. They are not only monuments of stone, but also of human determination, intelligence, and mystery. To this day, the pyramids continue to inspire awe, reminding us of how much we still don't know about the ancient world. So, were the pyramids simply tombs, or do they hold secrets we have yet to discover?